Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Facebook login code not received. Quick fix step by step clearly. First, confirm you are entering the correct phone number or email linked to your Facebook account. Check whether you are trying to receive the code by SMS, WhatsApp, email, or an authenticator app, and stick to one method. Make sure your phone has signal, mobile data, or Wi-Fi, because weak connection can block code delivery. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds, then turn it off to refresh your network connection. Restart your phone completely to clear temporary network and messaging glitches. Check your SMS inbox storage and delete a few old messages if your phone is full. Open your messaging app and make sure blocked numbers and spam filters are not stopping Facebook messages. If you use iPhone, check Settings, Messages, and make sure Filter Unknown Senders is not hiding the code. If you use Android, check your SMS app spam and blocked section and unmark Facebook messages as spam. Verify the date and time on your phone are set to automatic to prevent security code mismatches. On Facebook login, tap Try another way to choose email instead of SMS if SMS is delayed. If email is selected, check spam, promotions, and junk folders. Then search for Facebook in the mailbox. If you have multiple email accounts, confirm you are checking the exact one connected to Facebook. If WhatsApp is selected, ensure WhatsApp is active on your number and you can receive messages normally. Wait at least 2 minutes between code requests because too many requests can temporarily block new codes. Do not request codes repeatedly because Facebook may rate limit your account for security reasons. Update the Facebook app from the App Store or Google Play to avoid login bugs from old versions. If you are using a browser, clear cache and cookies for Facebook.com, then reload the page. Try an incognito or private window to avoid extensions or saved sessions interfering with login. Disable VPN or proxy services because they can trigger security checks and delay code delivery. Switch to a different network, like moving from Wi-Fi to mobile data, to test if your network is blocking messages. If you use an authenticator app, open it and ensure the account is still listed and time sync is correct. If authenticator codes are wrong, enable time correction or sync time in the authenticator app settings. Go to Facebook.com/login/identify and try account recovery with your name, email, or phone number. If you still cannot receive codes, choose I don't have access to these and follow the identity verification steps. Check your SIM card by sending and receiving a normal SMS from another phone to confirm SMS works. Contact your mobile carrier if SMS short codes are blocked or international SMS restrictions are enabled. Once you receive the code, enter it immediately and turn on two-factor backup options like recovery codes for next time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.